In this video, I'll show you how to screen mirror your iPhone on your TV. This way you'll be able to watch movies but also play games with very minimal lag. So the first thing you need to do is to select Find in your FireStick over here, and in the search box right below you're gonna type a power mirror, okay? And you should see this option appearing, which is a power mirror screen mirroring for TV. Once you found it with this logo over here, gonna press OK. And then you'll need to download this app. So just go over there where it says get free download and press OK, and it will download automatically. Once it's done downloading and installing, you're gonna open the app. And in the meanwhile, take your iPhone. Okay, so this QR code, just put your iPhone camera right in front of it. It should detect that it's a QR code. You just have to press the yellow bar and it will bring you directly to the A Power Mirror website. Now from here, you're gonna scroll down until you see Download App Store. Open. And this way you'll be directed directly to the official A Power Mirror app on the App Store. You just need to download it. In my case, I already did. And once you're done, just press Open over here. Then you need to make sure that both the TV, the Fire Stick, the Fire TV is connected on the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. Okay? And then press on your iPhone local cast, this big button over here. It should now detect every devices that are using this app. You should see your TV over here. Usually it's the first one on the list. Just tap on it and start broadcast. It will give you a small countdown. And just like that, it will now cast whatever is happening on your iPhone screen. And as you can see, it has a small lag, but it's really not bad at all. It will depend a lot on the internet connection that you're having. And if you want to switch the orientation of what you're seeing on your TV screen, since it will make a lot more sense, you just have to tilt your iPhone and automatically it will tilt the image on the screen as well. And by the way, if you're trying to watch a YouTube video, it works as well. You just have to tap the full screen mode and it will switch in full screen mode on the TV also. Another thing you can do if you didn't see your TV appearing in the list is to drag down from the top right corner on your iPhone and select this icon over here, the two rectangles. And you should see A Power Soft with your TV over there, one of the options. Tap on it and it will just take a few seconds and it should work as well. This is just another way to make this work.